Man, what a gorgeous lake. Oh, shoot. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. That is a nice one. Please tell me I was recording that. Please tell me I was recording that. Man. That is a good 4-pounder right there. And he smacked it. Yes, sir. Nice one. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on. Gotta get him out of this grass. Come on. Good thing about this kayak, it'll pull me to him. Come on. Let's get him out of this water grass here. Well, he felt a lot bigger than he was. But I finally got that old topwater blow up on the frog. I think this is my first catch on a frog, actually. I do not throw these a lot. I did not bring no pliers with me. There we go. Appreciate you. I like it when y'all hit that top water. problem is it keeps dragging me into the spots where the fish are. I missed him. Daggone it. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on, stay on there. This might be a good one. Stay up above that grass. Stay up above that grass. Oh yeah. This is a good one here, buddy. I'll take that one. I'll take that one. Yeah. Yes, sir. Laid up in there. Laid up in there. Yeah, that is a nice one. That was picture worthy right there. Yes, sir. Yeah. Man, laid up in this mat, dude. I might just be addicted to frog fishing now. That was a ton of fun. That was a lot of fun, actually. There we go. Come on. Oh, did he get off? Did he get off? Yes, he got off. Son of a gun, man. Gosh. There we go. I knew there was one over about low. Come on. Come on, stay up high. Stay up high. He's loaded in that grass right there. Gotta just keep that tension on him. Oh boy. Come on. Come on. Oh, he got off. Daggone it, he got off. Man. Well, I guess I'm gonna slide out of here. Today, or tonight, this evening, whatever, was definitely a learning experience. I have not ever really fished a frog much because I ain't never got many hits on one. But I'm gonna tell you what, they was smacking it tonight. Just, I guess I ain't got the timing down right to really set the hook on them babies. Because I had probably, I know, 2 really good ones. I know they were giants. But I got to redeem myself with the whopper plopper. Got a nice little, probably 4.5 pounder off that, so still successful little trip. Cruise on back to the truck.